there, this has been a crafting kind of week. I have made so many mini albums this week, and they're all pretty much spring oriented because I am in the mood. But I've made so many that I am going to sell a few on Etsy in my Etsy shop, and I will have the link below. So this one is spring. It's kind of fringe, shabby chic oriented. These are Prima Marketing papers. Anyway, let me just show you. So it has these little charms on here. On the elastic piece, we have a crown and we have a dragonfly. And then on this one, we have a flower and a butterfly. Now, the ribbon is actually like decorative closure. Let me show you. So it's for decoration. Then this is the actual closure that's going to keep that flap down in place. And so you'll just slide this off, and then you can slide it back on when you're ready to close it again. And then when we open it, we got this little flap here. Got some tags, and I had them the other way around because this is the pretty side. I want that to show when you have it closed. So we got a little charm here. It says trust, and then this one has another flower on it, and it does have some space on the back to put things if you would like. Tucks down in this pocket. You got music paper there behind that. I don't know if you can see this little French lady here with a blue rose. So pretty. And then over here, you have, this is hiding your little journal papers. So you lift this up here, and then you've got this little journal booklet. So these, you know, you can write on here, you can color. Oh, this eyelash. I have been into this eyelash ribbon lately, but I'll tell you, it sheds everywhere. So sorry about that, but it's so beautiful. But you can journal on there. These you can color. You've got notes, more coloring. Today, choose joy. Me time. We all need some me time. And then every day is a fresh start. And one more. We have be free. And then lots of coloring there. So you got your little booklet with your coloring space. And this I punched out with my Creative Memories punch. That just tucks back in there. And then that goes in there. So just a sweet little folio to keep your spring notes. See why I turned them that way? I like them. Like when you have them out showing, you want them like that. But then I like them better like this for whenever you're closing it up. Doesn't that just look gorgeous? There we go. And so then you would just tie this back up and then put your elastic on. And you got a cute little booklet to write in.